Competition Commission of India. The Competition Commission of India will be hosting the 8th BRICS International Competition Conference 2023. Who are the members of BRICS? Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Okay. So Competition Commission of India will be hosting the 8th BRICS International Competition Conference. Now, I think Competition Commission of India is a previous year question. This is a statutory body. Statutory body meaning after a law. Okay. Something which is formed by or backed by a law. Okay. Here the law is Competition Act of 2002. Evolution, a need was felt to promote the competition and private enterprise, especially in the light of 1991 Indian liberalization. Okay, after the Indian liberalization, we became more open to the WTO, etc., to the world global market. So there was a need for the to promote to the private enterprises. Okay, to regulate the private enterprises, especially in the commercial arena. Okay, hence, based on the Raghavan Committee, the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act 1969 was repealed and replaced by Competition Act of 2002. Nothing, just remember Raghavan Committee recommendation was responsible for the constitution of Competition Commission based on Competition Act of 2002. Clear? Okay. Which committee recommended the formation of PVTGs? Debar Commission. Okay. Now, the composition. It consists of a chairperson and 6 members appointed by the central government. It's a quasi-judicial body. Quasi-judicial body means it has powers of similar to that of court. Okay. It can ask for bringing of evidences. It can ask for previous justifications, etc. Okay. So it's a quasi-judicial body which gives opinions to a statutory authorities and also deals with other cases. Okay, clear? Now, eligibility of the members should be a judge of High Court. Why? Because it's a quasi-judicial body. Okay, Competition Act. As I said before, who recommended the Competition Act? Which committee? Raghavan Committee. Okay. Was passed in 2002 and has been amended in 2007 and 2023. Okay. Why? Because new changes are occurring in the economy based on commerces. Even e-commerces like Amazon, etc. were involved, and to have a fair playground for every sellers, there was many amendments on the Competition Commission Act. Okay. Act prohibits anti-competitive agreements, abuse of dominant positions by enterprises, and regulates combinations. Okay, which causes or likely to cause an appreciable adverse effect on the competition within India. As we know that there are many giants in the economy, commercial giants, example Apple, etc. They are the very giant companies, etc. Right? So there need to be a level playing field in the economy. For that, even the small companies could also compete in the economy for their development. Okay, so that is the one of the reason why Competition Act were amended time to time. Okay, so first it prohibits anti-competitive agreements. Anti-competitive agreements are mainly considered in terms of e-commerce. Okay, in e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., it prevents that only a single brand or some of the brands only could be promoted by the e-commerce platform. Okay, it prevents that. It says that there should be a level playing field for every companies. Okay. Now, abuse of dominant position. As I said before, of the giants. Okay. And regulate combinations of acquiring control. Okay. Ultimately, the purpose of the Competition Commission Act is to create a level playing field. In accordance with the provisions, there is an appellate tribunal. Appellate tribunal is also present. Okay. Accordance with the provisions, the Amendment Act, the Competition Commission of India and Competition Appellate Tribunal have been established. Okay. Appellate Tribunal is COMPAT and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal in 2017, the Appellate Tribunal was formed. Clear? Okay. Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India is helping in the creating a level playing field for every single entities in the commercial market. Okay. It prevents anti-competing agreements and also prohibits the dominancy of the companies in the economy. Okay. It was formed based on the recommendation of Raghavan Committee, and it is a statutory body formed under the Competition Commission Act of 2002. And further, amendments were occurring based on the modern necessities. Okay, likely in 2017 as well as 2023, there were amendments to that of the act. Clear? And the composition including members, 6 members and a chairperson. It acts as a quasi-judicial body, and High Court judges a requirement of the chairman. Okay.